Hi everybody, and welcome to our booty and legs number 22. So today we're gonna do a great lower body workout with a few pieces of equipment. And for this you're gonna need barbell and the bench for your hip thrust. You can also do the hip thrust on the floor if you don't have a bench, but at home you can use sofa or a chair or anything that you can actually lean your upper body against the elevated platforms. Then you're gonna need 2 pairs of dumbbells, and you're gonna need a little step because we're gonna do elevated reverse lunges. So now let's go through all of the exercises. We have 4, and then okay, exercise number 1 is gonna be our hip thrust, and I'm using here 30 kilos barbell, and I'm gonna place it just on top of my hips. I'm gonna place my shoulder blades on the edge of the bench, and I'm also using here this little step up to position me properly, right? Because my bench is a little bit too high, so make sure that the shoulder blades are on the bench. Then you're gonna position your feet slightly outwards, hip width apart, or maybe a little bit more wider. You're gonna come up and make sure that everything is nice and adjusted. You have to adjust your feet as well, so the knees are 90 degrees looking forward. You drop down and then maybe a reassess again. Come up, squeeze, slowly go down, come up, squeeze. Okay, make sure that you lock your hips on the top. Okay, and that's our hip thrust. For this exercise, we're gonna do 15 reps. Okay, then we're gonna go into the side lunges. So you're grabbing your weights, and you can have your dumbbells alongside you, or you can place them up on top of the shoulder. This will actually increase the intensity of this workout because your core will be more engaged and more on fire. You're gonna step to the side, you're gonna push up, okay? You can have it next to you, and then the weights will come in, the leg will come in between the weights, basically like this, okay? And you come down, squeeze, push up, okay? And make sure that the feet, both of the feet, are facing forward like this, pushing your hips back, yeah, facing forward, engaging your core. That's exercise number 2. Third one, we're gonna use the same barbell. We're gonna pick it up and we're gonna perform deadlift. So shoulders back, bending slightly in the knees, and then engage your core, and we're gonna slide our barbell down alongside your shin bones, coming up and squeeze. So make sure also that your hips are hinging back, and then when they reach the stopping point, you stop. You come back up, squeeze, down, slow and controlled. That's the most important thing here. And yeah, you can pause on the bottom to feel the stretch of your hamstrings, and then you come up and explode. Okay, the next one, the exercise number 4, we're gonna do a reverse lunges. So I'm gonna show you like this from the side. You're gonna step up. Again, you might see my head, but it's okay. We are stepping back, so your knee basically has to go below the stepper, because otherwise, if it doesn't go, if you stop here, what's the point of the stepper, right? You have to go below, that you can actually increase your depth and range of motion. And again, if you are okay with this exercise with the weights on top of the shoulders, go ahead and do them like this. If not, you can have the weights alongside you and perform these exercises like that. Okay, so those are 4 exercises we are doing today. I'm already out of breath. It's pure strength, so Make sure that it counts, make sure that you're gonna do everything slow and controlled, no rushing, but we're also gonna have the second part, which is a burnout in a Tabata style. All right, so now do your booty activation and the lower body warm up, and then let's hit this together.